Hi all, welcome again. In the previous video, we have discussed about non-terminating repeating decimals. Observe this example. Here, the decimal digit 3 repeats infinitely and it is forming a repeating pattern. Got it? Observe the second example. Here, the decimal digits 2, 7 repeat infinitely and forming a repeating pattern. Hence the name non-terminating repeating decimals. Got it? Today we will learn about non-terminating non-repeating decimals. The definition says that non-terminating, non-repeating decimals are decimals that have an infinite number of decimal digits with no repeating pattern. Got it? First point, non-terminating, non-repeating decimals cannot be expressed in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. Got it? Now let us try to understand the definition with an example. Observe here, the decimal digits are endless. So it is non-terminating. Next, observe carefully, they have no repeating pattern. So it is non-repeating. Got it? Hence, the value of pi, that is 3.14159265, is an example for non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Got it? Now let us conclude. Since the value of pi has an infinite number of decimal digits and no repeating pattern, it is called a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Got it? This table gives you the difference between terminating and non-terminating decimals. Please make a note of them. Till now, we have studied about natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. In the upcoming series, we are going to learn about rational numbers, irrational numbers, and real numbers. So, please stay tuned with me. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel Basics to Master Maths. Thank you.